Hey guys, Loom has updated their platform and I'm coming in with a series of videos to showcase each and every one of them. So let's get started. So today I wanted to focus on this area, the various libraries. So your personal library is your default library. That's where all of your folders will be and where automatically all of the videos that you record will be housed. And I showed you in a previous video that they have it organized where all of your folders are at the top and then all of your individual videos that have not been assigned to a folder will be located. And you can look at this in the grid view or in the list view. So in this example, what I'm going to do is show you how you can put everything in one folder if you want to have everything on your personal library, and then the difference between a shared library and your team library. So first, I created this. Actually, I'm going to delete this so that I can show you how I created this. Well, I had multiple ones, but all you have to do is click on New Folder, and that creates a new folder that's called Untitled, essentially. So we can rename this, and we can call it whatever it is that we want to call it. I think I already have created one for the example, so I'm going to delete this one as well. Okay, so this is the folder that I created 5 minutes ago, and what I want to do is I want to put a bunch of videos that are outside of these folders into this folder, and then the other example is I'm going to show you and talk to you about the shared and team folders. So this is the folder that I've created. Let's go in it. There's nothing there so that you can see. Go back to our personal library. And then I'm going to scroll down until I get to the area where I have some videos. This is the one I'm actually recording now, so that's why that looks that way. I'm going to then select the videos that I want to put in this new folder. And I know that's another one that I want to do. So I've selected all of these. And so you can see down here, 4 videos have been selected. I have the option of moving it, of starring them, of archiving them, or of deleting them. And I'm going to move them. So from here, I'm now going to say where I want them to go. And so the folder is Carla. Now, if I hadn't created a folder yet, I could still create one here. So I'm going to put them here and click move. So now all of those videos have now been moved into Carla, which was empty before. You can see all of them here now. So let's go back to personal. Now, shared videos are videos that you want to share with your team because they need to edit. They're going to view and they're going to edit, and you want them to create videos on their own so that you can then edit and tweak and do all of those types of things. If you just want people to view, then you can put them in your team folder. That's what the team folder is for. So the way that you would be able to put content there is you literally can just come here and drag it over to team, let it go, and now that folder has been moved from your personal folder over to your team folder. Now from here, you can make it public, you can move it again, you can rename it, you can do whatever it is that you need to do to it at this point. You can also do this by dragging the individual video as well. So you can drag the folder, or you can, and I don't think I have one. Let's see if I have another one that I can, nope. Oh, this one. So I can take this and I can drag that over if I wanted. And let's say I wanted to do that one and this one I can also drag over. Yeah, let's put those over there. So that's how you can get them into your team. So for your shared folders, let's say you did want to share a video. So what you would do is, let's say I wanted to share, let's say I wanted to share this one. So I'll drag this over. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, that's right. So if I wanted to share a folder And this is or it doesn't have to just be a folder. If it's an image, a video that I wanted to share, you have to come up here to the three dots and you have to invite someone to edit. Because remember, in the shared folder, you are putting content in there that you're inviting someone to access and to edit for you. And if you are doing that, you are actually paying for that person to be able to create videos as well as edit your videos. So if that's what you want to do, you click on this. You can type in the person's email address here, add them to the list, and then send the invite. Now I want you to see this. It says, once you invite someone, this item can be found in your shared library. Others invited to edit who do not have creator permissions will only be able to view and not edit. Okay? Okay, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.